Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing one of the character names from the famous TV series, Game of Thrones. This character was played by actor Jack Gleason. Well, how do we say this name correctly? We may pronounce it as Joffrey Baratheon. Joffrey Baratheon. Joe. Free. Baratheon. Joffrey Baratheon. Joffrey's actions, including his treatment of the Stark family and his role in the execution of Ned Stark, drive many of the series' key conflicts and contribute significantly to the unraveling of political alliances. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Joffrey Baratheon, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.